looks delicious. So I remove from the pan and press it aside. That is so. For this recipe, we only need banana, 2 eggs, milk, then 6 tablespoons of flour. That's all we need. So sit back and enjoy the video. If you're new here, welcome. Kindly like, share and subscribe. I'll start by measuring my wheat flour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all I need. Next, I will break in my egg. So I whisk very well for the eggs combined with wheat flour. Add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then I'll also add in half tablespoon of salt to balance the taste. So let's mix very well the mixture combine. Then I'll add in my milk. The mixture should not be so watery and not too thick. Next, I will peel off white half of banana. I cut into pieces so that it can be easy to be mashed. So let me try to mash these bananas before I add them into the mixture. We are mashing our bananas. This will improve on the texture of our pancakes and the sweetness. As you can see, it started coming out very well as I want it to be. Then let me add in a bit of milk so that it can dissolve. Add the banana and milk mixture to our so now let's whisk very well everything to mix together. This is how it is supposed to be, guys. So the next step, we are going to start frying them. So sit back and enjoy the vibes of cooking from my kitchen. So guys, it's time to fry our pancakes. This is how I fry my pancake. So I add in some oil in the pan. That is how I fry. Not too much, but just enough for frying our pancake. That is how I fry the pancake, guys. You turn to another side. Make sure both sides are ready. You have to fry until golden brown. Look at that. It looks delicious. You see, even another side. Both sides are well cooked. So I remove from the pan and press it aside. That is my first pancake. Started becoming golden brown. We have to fry until golden brown. We turn to another side. So our pancake is ready. It is time to be removed from the fire. Turn to another side. We add in oil. Just enough to fry our pancake, not too much, and make sure you fry on a medium flame so that they don't burn out. So you see, it has started becoming golden brown. We keep frying until golden brown. Turn to this side so that it can get some oil too. Yeah, we get it. So guys, it is time to fry the last one. So we turn to another side. That is how easy it is to make simple breakfast for our families. Something simple but delicious. I'm bringing for you, mommy. Look. Remember to fry on a medium flame. So our pancake is ready. Look at that, guys. So tasty, so delicious. So guys, our pancakes are ready. So simple, so delicious. Look at the texture. Just soft and simple, delicious meals we made at home. Look, so delicious. So try it at your home and let me know how it comes out. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next one on Sunday 5:30 p.m. East African time.